this is a nuclear bomb. It's actually a nuclear bomb.
I'm in a Concorde.
Supercharger. We are off to Dubford Car Show at Duxford Airfield today. Let's go check it out, see what it's all about, and take you along for the ride. Yeah, we're off to Dubford to go see what it's all about. I'm looking pretty smart today, look at me. Yeah, we're after a show. Look what's behind me. It seems to be my T4 following me. Ha ha! Catherine's coming down in my T4, representing two of my vehicles today. So yeah, should be good. Yeah, we are at Duxford. That's the massive hangar there. We're at Dubford Car Show at Duxford. Yeah, big hangar there with all the aeroplanes and stuff in it. It's a plane museum, but we've also got all these cool vehicles all around us to go and have a look at. So today we're going to be checking out some cool cars and some cool planes. You got to check this thing out here. There's a massive like flying fortress right in front of me here. So yeah, you get the idea. There's a plane taking off over there, so it's a bit loud. Here's us. Got to show off me golfing eye. And we got me van with me. It's really hard to film in this sunlight. It's really bright today. Let's have a look at this side. Yeah. Looking good. Check out this caddy. This is stunning. I love this. Look at that. That is a gorgeous looking caddy. I'd love one of these, but these are quite a lot of money now. Got a lovely Golf here, which looks like it's got the BBS kit on it. I could be wrong, but it does look like the BBS kit. It's got a 20 valve turbo engine in it, 118T by the looks of it. Yep. That is very cool. Rocking the BBS. Let's have a look at the interior. Oh, wow. Oh, look at that steering wheel. That is gorgeous.
I'm in a Concorde.
My glasses. Look at all this stuff. There is so many parts to build a rat rod out of. Look at this. Look. In there. We need to build a rat rod out of this, don't we? Look at this. Imagine the stuff I could build out of this. Like a jet. Imagine that on the back of a pickup truck.
It's a propelled engine, not a jet engine.
Is that propelled?
Yes.
It's propelled?
Yeah, look, it's a prop.
Oh, it's got a prop?
Yes.
Ah, see, Bert knows his shit.
I do know my shit.
He does know his shit.
Not a lot of shit, but I do know something.
At least you know some shit.
Yeah, exactly. And that's an engine, jet engine that is.
That one?
Yeah.
What, that jet engine looking thing?
Jet engine, that is a jet.
Okay.
Yeah.
That jet engine's a jet engine. And these are paddles, these are.
Yeah, that's a plane with 2 wings.
Oh no, they're not. No, they're not. They look like someone's. Do you know what they actually look like? They look like Catherine's feet.
That same size.
We're currently inside the museum itself, looking at all the planes. Look at this stuff. Look at the planes. I've got Concorde and that over there. So much stuff in here. There's a nuclear bomb near the entrance. It's quite mad in here, to be honest. If you've never been to Duxford, it's worth coming and look at because it's quite cool. Are you doing something stupid behind me?
No.
Liar. You alright, mate? He don't say much, does he? This is really cool. I do like this Audi. Is it Audi 80, I think? But I love the wheels choice on this. Very, very, very cool car. Lovely Mark 1 Jetta. Looks like it's got a stock engine in it. Lovely looking though, look at that. So look at the interior. It's gorgeous Mark 1 Golf. Look at that, what engine's it's got in it? Looks like a 1.8T as well. Does look like a 1.8T, could be wrong, but it looks like it to me. It's very nice. Another caddy. Looking at another 1.8T by the looks of it. This is lovely, I like the colour of this. Very nice. Very nice indeed. We have just spotted an old friend. One of my old cars I built on the channel. Do you remember this? It's my old Polo that I built on the channel. That's my custom graphics that I've done. Wheels have changed, I had compo motives on it, hence why I put this graphic on the side. Because I used to have compo motive wheels on it. But it's changed a bit now, it's got a roof rack and stuff on it now, but this is my old baby. Hello mate, how you doing? Still going strong. Yeah, it's got square headlights now though. But yeah, memory lane, eh? My old baby. Speaking of old babies, here's my old baby. Ah, I'm gonna get beaten up later when I get home for calling her old. We got a nice another Mark III Golf here. Look at that, you don't see many of these. Don't see many of them about, the van. And we got a Mark 1 Golf van here as well. That's very cool.
Hello.
Hey dude, what's your name?
Sam.
Sam. Tell me about your bug, Sam.
Alright, I've owned Bug for 18 years.
Yeah.
Pulled out of a chicken shed in an absolute state.
Oh wow.
It did not want to come out. We had to literally drag it out with a winch and 4 people behind it.
Jesus.
And it's been tinkering away with it ever since.
Really?
So had a few people do a lot of work for it. I've done a fair bit as well.
Yeah.
We washed it, bizarrely. I put it in the driver, I washed it, because obviously you do that when you
Well, you got to, yeah.
Well, yeah, exactly.
You got to.
Yeah, couldn't get all the dust out, so we chopped some of the floor out, which were completely rotten anyway.
Oh wow.
It's had the bottom 6 inches done, 4-inch beam,
Wow.
drop spindles, disc brakes,
Wow.
and drop spring plates on the back. So yeah.
Let's have a look at it.
Yeah, go for it.
Let's have a look. This one here, the red one, isn't it?
There it is, yeah.
Oh, it's lovely. That's one thing I want to do on the channel is a bug.
Yeah.
I'm dying. I've even been thinking about getting rid of the Golf and doing a bug. I've had a few bugs in my life. My missus had a bug that was actually, it's weird. It's a strange story. 20 odd years ago, I bought a bug. It was a restoration project. I spent years putting it all back together. Just before I was about to put an engine in it, I split up with my wife, got custody of both the kids, and then I had to sell it to buy rent for the flat. So I never got to drive it. Never got to drive it. 20 years later, I met my current missus,
Yeah.
and she went and bought a bug.
Yeah.
And it turned out to be my old bug.
No way.
It turned out to be, and the weird thing was, when I sold that bug, I actually sold it to a company I worked for that restored classic Beetles.
Yeah.
And I had to build it and make it lovely for someone else.
Oh, that's difficult.
And then my girlfriend, 20 years later, bought the bug. So then we had it at my house, and I still never got to drive it.
Yeah, yeah.
Then I bought a bug in lockdown.
Yeah.
Started doing it up.
Yeah.
Run out of funds, got bored, sold it because I needed a daily driver. So I've had many bugs, but I've never been able to drive my own one.
Fingers crossed for you.
Yeah. So let's have a look at yours, man. That's lovely.
It's not perfect, needs work.
Bugs are never perfect, and when they are perfect, you're scared to drive them.
Well, exactly, and that's the one thing I wanted to do.
Yeah.
I just want to go and drive it.
That's beautiful, though. Let's have a look in the door open. No. Let's have a look in there. Let's have a look. It don't matter. People love cars.
Yeah.
That is lovely. I love the colour.
Thank you. It's ruby red.
Ruby red. Oh, that's a good name for a colour as well. Oh, look at that. Stripped out.
As you can see, it is used. That's my daughter's bike.
Oh, he drives it, and the kid's in. That's a good man. You've got to drive him.
Yeah.
You've got to drive him.
Definitely.
It's the smell.
I know.
It's the Beetle smell. Yeah, man. I'm loving that. That's cool. So let me know what you think in the comments. Should I sell my Golf and do a bug next on the channel? Everyone let me know. Anyway, it's nice to meet you, dude.
Nice to meet you, buddy.
Take care, man. Right, we're going to go and look at some of the American planes. Some of the really cool planes as well. This is a nuclear bomb. It's actually a nuclear bomb.
That little one there.
That is mad. Usually when people get a new bike or a new car or anything like that, they need to know its history. So what you should do is you should head over to Vehicle Score. On Vehicle Score, you can check out the whole history of a vehicle. They give it like a up to 100 rating, depending on, you know, how good the car is. You can check for previous finance, you can check if it's been stolen, you can check all the normal stuff that you can check on these sites. You know the sites I'm talking about. Vehicle Score is, I reckon, is the best one. Okay, so go and check out any vehicles you've got. If you're looking to buy a vehicle, go and check out Vehicle Score. You can check out its history, like I've just said. If it's been in a crash, you can check out anything you need to know about a vehicle before you buy it and get stung on a lemon. You can go and check them out on Vehicle Score. Okay, so do not forget to do that. Go and check out your car on Vehicle Score before you buy it, or even a bike. I don't know if they do bikes, but I know they do cars, so go and do that. Because if you don't, you're a bug. Just been to the American, all the way down there. Shattered. We've still got to go all the way down there. This is a big place. Oh God, I'm knackered. Oh, I'm not used to this walking. Fat bastard. Jesus. Lots of planes here though. Just had enough of them now. And yeah, cars are cool. Yeah, planes are cool to learn about them, but I'm knackered. Drop it. nice Mark II Golf here. Looks like it's got the BBS kit on it also. Very, very cool. Loving the colour on this. I do like this blue from this era. Like you've got the BBS kit. I think that's BBS kit. This has got a 180 in it. That is very nice indeed. I do like that a lot. I do really love this colour. You know, it's such a lovely colour. Because Morris Minors and stuff down here. Land Rover. Another Mark II Golf, another Mark II Golf. Man wing walking over there. He's taking off on a plane. He stood on the back of it and he's wing walking. Okay, now we've come to the cool section. Look at these bad boys. Let's have a look at this one. This one looks very sporty. Porsche wheels on it. Sports seats. Let's have a look. I bet it's got a Porsche engine or something. Look at this sub. Oh my god. Oh yeah. It's got a Porsche lump. Or it's got a Porsche fan on it anyway, carbon fibre. These are some of the really nice ones. That is a lovely colour. But this is a bit of me right here. Patina, clear coated, Carmen gear. Slammed on its arse. Look at that. Look at that. Some cool bits here. That's gorgeous. It's very nice indeed. Got some other cool stuff over here. That looks a bit more stock than anything. With this one here, look at the paint job on this. This is sick. Look at the paint on that. Look, I don't know if you can see the glisten in that paint. This is also glittery as hell. I don't know if you can see that. Wow. Sorry.
Star appearance.
Check this out in here. This is lovely. Look at that. Loving the patina on this. Let's have a look inside. Yeah, that's lovely, isn't it? That is very cool. This bus here, it's just a van. Yeah. Very nice indeed.
It was one of those nights I was feeling kind of lethargic and I knew I shouldn't have went to that place at all, but whatever was in my mind, my body pushed those thoughts aside because I just wanted to dance.
Be Kobe with the 8, understanding 24 this all could go away. You matter in this world, realize this the stage. Lost dance, yeah, could be any day. Have a say. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this.
Those roses and daisies and tulips and paisley skies. Was it that time to trip? Or was I just high on the sound of the speaker that was coming out the wall? Or was it just another dream?
Euphoric, heavenly, sky-high melodies, we live and alive, bet the vibe fly fresh in me. It's all chemistry, light brighter than gold. You know that glow, the kind of light that touch souls. When in that mode, ain't no coming down. Happy zone, chill spot where I'm running round. So much drama on the globe, gotta stay afloat, at a slope. Crank the radio, my gamma ray of hope, yeah.
Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this. Ribbon a while since it felt like this.
Alright, that is it for Dubford at Duxford Airfield. Hope you enjoyed the video. Say goodbye, Bert.
Goodbye.
Yeah, there we go. So, see you in the next one. Don't forget to like and subscribe and all that stuff. And yeah.